great place to wake up. I have orange juice. I've made myself some hot coffee. And for breakfast, yeah, this is homemade banana carrot cake for breakfast. And I've already had a piece and it's delicious. It's 10:15, it's time to walk, and it is pretty cold out. It's about -4 degrees Celsius, I think, and a lot of frozen stuffs. Feels warm in the sun. Lots of farmers' fields. Keeping my eye out for vultures. Into the woods we go. I know today is going to be a special day on the Camino. Quiet and peaceful. Abandoned looking village place. And there's a big crane there, so it looks like someone's trying to restore it. Vultures! In the sky. Lovely walk. Take me to the river. Info sign about how the gorge is formed. Give you a hint. What's it? More stuff to look at. Cute. La Cabrera Village. Noisy. They are fixing the bridge. No bridge dance. Construction. Less than an hour until beer time. And I love the river. Love it. Trail. This is a pretty cool looking castle. The Pelegrina Interpretation Center is closed. Well, that's too bad because I really would have wanted to check out some of the exhibits and information about the castle. Sign for the route of Don Quixote at this fountain. I hope you were open. I'm inside this nice little restaurant. I decided to order something also from the menu, but until that comes, beer. And chips. Bread and mushrooms with aioli. And some wine, and now hot coffee. Beautiful castle. I am so full. Uncomfortably full. I ate way too much food. Okay, so I need to go back through the village and around to the other side. I am so sleepy after that heavy meal. And this dog up here has been chasing me out of town. Okay, I almost fell over. I was, walking down here, and then all of a sudden I looked up in the sky. Oh, I can't even. Wow. So many vultures, holy. Gotta unzip my jacket before climbing up this bad boy. This'll burn off those mushrooms. Finally up on the plateau. Such a different landscape right out of the gorge. There are a multitude of these green Don Quixote posts. If you do this trail, you're never gonna get lost. Really nice. It reminds me of back home in Ontario. So many signs. And we got that thing, and we got that thing. Ba 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 ba. City. And the fortress on top is now Fancy Dancy Parador Hotel. I feel like it's gonna take forever to get there. This is a nice approach to the city. See some hikers up there. I never see hikers. Interesting. Whole bunch of young boys. Maybe, I don't know where they came from. Anyways, here is the fortress. It is in remarkably good shape. Time to head into the city. Sometimes I wish I had a lot of money, because if so, I would be sleeping tonight in this incredible castle, which is a Parador Hotel. But it is way out of my budget. Out of curiosity, I checked. And the cost last minute for a room is 100 euros. normal price is like 200 euros up. So it is a big discount, but I just can't do it. I have a limited budget. So maybe next time. Now to find where I actually am going to sleep tonight. I don't know where the arrows have gone in this twisty-turny medieval city. I'm just gonna walk around and kind of explore on my way down to St. Vincent's Church. See? I don't even know. I'm just wandering around and seeing sights. And it's pretty steep downhill. Inside the Tourist Information Center and getting the credential stamped.
Here?
Here.
Mine.
Elena at the tourist office was super helpful. She pointed out some options for places to stay on the map in case the place I'm going doesn't work out. And she gave me a guidebook of the city in English. And this is worth its weight in gold because a lot of places I go have no materials in English. I really wish I had better Spanish. Monastery. And it was really lucky because as I was walking up the street, I met the woman who works here in the monastery, so she let me in, and they explained they don't have any hot water for showering, but that's all right. I can survive without it. This monastery is amazing. My room is in a room and a room there, and then I come out here, and then there's another big room. It's very confusing. Rosa got me set up with some cookies, cheese, and a hot cocoa. Took me a long time to figure out how to get out of the monastery. This is the only door you can use to get out. I was wandering around trying doors in the maze, but finally I figured out the cathedral.
Here lies the Doncel, the famous knight. This tomb is a masterpiece and a symbol, the main symbol for the city of Siguenza.
So I was looking all around the cathedral to see that iconic statue, and I just happened to ask the right guy who had the key to let me in to see it, because it's normally closed, I suppose. Wow, what luck. Castle and the Vultures. The cathedral is enormous. Really, really big. Cervezas artisanal. You're speaking my language. Okay, so this bar is called Atrio. It's right across from the cathedral, and they have craft beer. They brew their own beer, and so they have an IPA and a lager. And of course, I'm going to try the IPA. 6.9%. Nice color. I'm really excited.
This is my
Back on. Just was chatting with the waiter. Okay, let's try it. It's really smooth. Slightly sweet. Really low hoppiness. But pretty tasty.
I'm really spoiled today because there is another craft beer, local area craft beer to try. This is the Vultures one, and it's wheat beer, and the wheat is grown in this area. They make a special point of saying that it's above 1,000 meters above sea level and organic. It's wheat beer, great color. And when I poured it, had a nice head, and it's a very light taste wheat beer, but it's delicious. I really, really enjoy this one. Fantastic.
Main square. Down there is the restaurant I was in, and one last look-see at the cathedral from another side. It is positively bone chillin' tonight. Whew. Thought that car was gonna hit. Rosa is super awesome. She is the nicest lady ever. I really enjoy
hanging out with her and trying to communicate with her. And I'll get to see her tomorrow morning, and I'm looking forward to it.